presenting the 2012 Nissan Xterra S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 3 power outlets, 4-speed intermittent rear wiper, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, 6-speaker audio system, AM/FM CD stereo, cargo area luggage floor box, child safety rear door locks, cloth upholstery and electronic brake force distribution. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.